Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. We're so happy you're here with us again.
Today is Friday. Can you believe it?
Wait, it's Friday already? This week went so fast.
I know, right? So today we're going to talk about something perfect for the end of the week.
Oh, what is it?
Making weekend plans. How to invite a friend to do something.
Ah, yes. Very useful. The weekend is coming and we want to do fun things with people.
Exactly. But sometimes it's hard to know what to say. How do you ask someone to hang out?
And what if they say no? That can feel awkward.
Yes, rejection is never fun, but we'll practice all of that today.
Perfect. But first, Emma, how are you? You look excited.
I am excited. I have plans this weekend. Good plans.
Oh, tell me, what are you doing?
Tomorrow, I'm going to the farmer's market with my sister in the morning.
A farmer's market. I love those. Fresh vegetables, flowers, maybe some homemade bread.
Yes, all of that. And they have live music sometimes. It's just a nice, relaxing way to start the weekend.
That sounds lovely. What about Sunday?
Sunday, I'm meeting an old friend for brunch. We haven't seen each other in months.
Brunch is the best. Breakfast and lunch together. Who doesn't love that?
Exactly. So I have a good weekend coming. What about you, James? Any plans?
Thanks for a moment. I don't have plans yet. I was hoping to do something, but I didn't invite anyone.
Well, today's lesson is for you then. Let's practice.
Yes, please. Okay, so let's start with the basics. How do I invite someone?
The easiest way is with a simple question. Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend? Free means not busy, right?
Exactly. Free means you have no plans. You are available.
Okay. Are you free this weekend? Simple. I like it.
Or you can say, what are you doing this weekend? That's more open.
What are you doing this weekend? And then they tell you their plans.
Yes. And if they don't have plans, that's your chance to invite them.
Okay, so let's say they say, I don't have plans yet. Then what do I say?
Then you can say, do you want to hang out? Or would you like to do something together?
Do you want to hang out? That's very casual, good for friends.
Yes. Hang out just means spend time together. Do nothing special or do something fun.
What if I have a specific idea, like I want to see a movie?
Then you say, do you want to see a movie this weekend? Or would you like to go to the movies with me?
Do you want to see a movie? Perfect, short and clear.
Or maybe you want to try a new restaurant. There's a new Italian place. Do you want to try it together?
Oh, I like that. It shows you have a specific plan. It's more exciting.
Exactly. People like when you have an idea. It makes it easier for them to say yes.
Okay, let's practice a full conversation. I'll invite you to do something.
Okay, I'm ready. I'll be your friend.
Hey, Emma, how's your week going?
Hey, James. It's going well, thanks. A little busy, but good.
I'm glad to hear that. Hey, I was wondering, are you free this weekend?
This weekend? Let me think. Saturday morning, I'm a little busy, but Saturday afternoon is free.
Oh, perfect. I was thinking of going to that new park downtown, the one with the lake.
Oh, I heard about that. I haven't been there yet.
Me neither. That's why I want to go. Do you want to come with me? Maybe we can walk around, get some coffee?
That sounds really nice. What time?
Maybe around 2 o'clock. Does that work for you?
2 o'clock works perfectly.
Great. Should I pick you up or do you want to meet there?
You can pick me up if it's not too much trouble.
No trouble at all. I'll text you Saturday morning to confirm.
Perfect. I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me.
Normal voice. How was that?
That was perfect. Very natural. You asked if I was free, you had a specific plan, you suggested a time, and you asked about transportation.
I did all that? I guess I did.
Yes. And notice, I said yes because you made it easy. You had a nice idea.
Okay, good. But what if the person says no? That's the scary part.
It is scary, but it's okay. People say no for many reasons. Maybe they're busy. Maybe they're tired. Maybe they already have plans.
So how do I react? What do I say?
You stay polite and friendly. You can say, no problem, maybe another time.
No problem. Maybe another time. That's perfect. It shows you're not upset.
Right. Or you can say, okay, have a great weekend. Let's try again soon.
I like that. It leaves the door open for the future.
Exactly. Let's practice a no situation. I'll say no this time.
Okay, takes a breath. Hey, Emma, are you free this weekend?
Oh, I wish I could, but I'm actually really busy this weekend.
Oh, that's okay. No problem. Maybe another time.
Yes, definitely. Let's plan something next week.
Sounds good. Have a great weekend.
You too. Thanks for asking.
Normal voice. How is that?
Perfect. You were polite, you didn't get upset, and you suggested another time.
It didn't feel bad at all. In my head, I thought it would be awkward, but it wasn't.
That's because you handled it well. Most people understand.
True. Okay, what about inviting someone for a specific event, like a party or a concert?
Good question. For a party, you can say, I'm having a small party on Saturday. Do you want to come?
I'm having a party. Do you want to come? Simple.
Or, there's a concert next week. Would you like to go with me?
Would you like to go with me? That's a little more formal, but still friendly.
Yes, you can use would you like to for any invitation. It's always polite.
What about inviting someone you don't know very well, like a coworker?
For a coworker, you might be a little more careful. You can say, a few of us are getting coffee after work. Would you like to join?
Would you like to join? That's perfect. It's not too direct. It's friendly.
Yes. And if you say a few of us, it feels less like a date and more like a group thing, less pressure.
Smart. So for a new friend, group invitations are safer.
Exactly. Now let's talk about making plans by text or message. That's very common.
Oh, yes. Most people text now. It's less scary than calling.
So true. So in a text, you can write the same things but shorter.
Like, hey, weekend plans? Want to grab coffee?
Perfect. Grab coffee means get coffee together. Very casual.
Or there's a new movie out. Interested?
Interested is a short way to ask, are you interested in seeing it?
I like that. Short and simple.
And if they say yes, you can text back, great, what time works for you?
What time works for you? That's asking for their availability.
Yes. Or does Saturday at 3 work?
Does Saturday at 3 work? That's suggesting a specific time.
Right. And if that time doesn't work, they'll say, can we do 4 instead? Or Saturday is bad, but Sunday is good.
So it's a conversation, back and forth until you agree.
Exactly. Now, do you have a funny story about making plans, James?
Tinks for a moment. You know, I have one from a few years ago.
Tell me.
Okay, I wanted to invite a new friend to a baseball game. I was nervous because I didn't know him well.
Baseball game is fun. Good choice.
So I practiced what to say. I practiced in the mirror.
In the mirror.
Yes, I wanted to sound natural, so I practiced like 5 times.
And then?
Then I called him, and when he answered, my brain went blank.
Oh no.
I said, hey, baseball, Saturday, you want?
Oh my God.
It was terrible. The words came out like a robot. Baseball, Saturday, you come?
What did he say?
He was quiet for a second. Then he laughed and said, are you asking me to a baseball game?
And then?
I said, yes, sorry, I'm nervous. Would you like to go to a baseball game with me on Saturday?
And he said,
He said, I'd love to, but you can relax. I don't bite.
that's so sweet. So it worked out.
It did. We went to the game. We had a great time. And now we're good friends.
See, even when you mess up, it's okay. People understand.
Exactly. So for everyone watching, don't be like me and practice in the mirror. But if you do, it's okay.
Practice is good. Just don't freeze when the moment comes.
Right. So let's review the key phrases for inviting someone.
First, ask if they're free. Are you free this weekend?
Or, what are you doing this weekend?
Then suggest an activity. Do you want to see a movie? Or would you like to get coffee?
Then suggest a time. Does Saturday afternoon work? Or how about 2 o'clock?
If they say yes, confirm the details. Great, I'll pick you up. Or let's meet there.
If they say no, be polite. No problem, maybe another time.
And always end with something friendly. Have a great weekend, or talk soon.
Simple, right?
Very simple. The hardest part is just starting. But once you start, it gets easier.
And remember, most people want to say yes. They want to hang out. They want to do fun things.
Yes, so go ahead, text that friend, make those plans.
Life is short. Do fun things with people you like.
I love that way to end. Okay, we hope this was helpful.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
Now go make some weekend plans.
Bye, everyone. Have a great weekend.
Bye bye.